interest rate are not coming back. What a difference 2 years make. In 2021, when interest rates were near zero in the United States and the United Kingdom, and slightly negative in the Eurozone and Japan, the consensus was that they would remain low indefinitely. In fact, despite the U.S. Federal Reserve and other central banks' aggressive monetary tightening, real interest rate remained significantly negative until late 2022. When it comes to fiscal policy, one silver lining of chronically low real interest rate is that they make the elevated levels of public debt more sustainable. Government could operate to the primary budget deficit, which excludes interest payment, and still manage their debt, as it would decrease relative to GDP over time. With the interest rate at having risen, however, the U.S. debt is suddenly a problem again. Possible explanation for the decline in real interest rate include slowed productivity growth, demographic shift, growing global demand for safe and liquid assets, rising inequality, lower capital goods prices, and the savings glut coming from East Asia. Other factors such as longer lifespan and reduced transaction cost could happily explain why real rates have been declining for centuries. While I cannot predict the future, I am skeptical that interest rate will return to zero anytime soon. If this assessment is correct, it bodes well for monetary policy, which should be less constrained than previously, but high real interest rates are bad news for fiscal policymakers who could find themselves once again constrained by unsustainable debt to GDP ratio. Zero interest rates are not coming back.